Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Share it and subscribe it kindly. If 10% of the screws produced by an automatic machine are defective, find the probability that of 20 screws selected at random, there are subdivision 1 is exactly 2 defectives. Subdivision 2 is at most 3 defectives. Subdivision 3 is at least 2 defectives. Subdivision 4 is between 1 and 3 defectives inclusive. So first you have to write the given one is 10% screw produced by an automatic machine are defective. So P, that is given 10%. So 10% means 10 divided by 100, which is equal to 0.1. So in this way you have to find the Q value. So Q is equal to 1 minus P, which is equal to 1 minus 0.1, which is equal to, right, 0.9. That is 9 by 10. 1 minus 10 by 100, which is equal to 9 by 10. So what is n? N is equal to 10, that is given in the problem. N is equal to not 10, 20. 20 screws. N is equal to 20 screws are given. Binomial distribution is defectives. So binomial distribution. Defective, non-defective. There are two things. So that's why binomial distribution is probability of x is equal to x, which is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x. This is the formula for the binomial distribution. N is 20, x we don't know, p is 0.1, q is 0.1 means 1 by 10, 0.9 is 9 by 10, 0.1 is 1 by 10, 9 by 10. So n is 20. So therefore probability of x equal to x, which is equal to probability of x is equal to x, which is equal to n 20 cx p power, p is 0.1 power x, q is 0.9 power n minus x, 20 minus x. So this is very important. So here the subdivision 1 is subdivision, this is very important one. So subdivision 1 is probability of exactly 2 defectives. So x is equal to 2. So 20 C2 0.1 power 2 0.9 power 20 minus 2. So which is equal to 20 C2, you can use the calculator, 0.1 power 2, 0.9 power 18, 20 minus 2, 18. So you can use the calculator. 20 C2 means 20 into 19 divided by 2 into 1, right, which is equal to, this is also you can use the calculator. So 10 into 19, which is equal to 190. So in this way you can use the calculator. If you are using the calculator, you will get the answer. So 20 C2. So if you are using the calculator, 190 into 0.1, that is you know the value, you can write as 0.1 is 1 by 10 square, 0.9 is 9 by 10 power 18, right, which is equal to 190 into 9 power 18 divided by 10 power 20, right, because the 10 power 18, 10 square will be 10 power 20. You can use the calculator, or else you can write this answer. This is also correct. Second one, probability of at most 3 defectives. At most means x less than or equal to 3, which is equal to, less than or equal to 3 means x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3. So included 3. That is at most 3, which is equal to p of x equal to 0 means 20c0, 0.1 power 0, 0.9 power 20 minus 0. In this way you have to write for all 20c1, 0.1 power 1, 0.9 power 20 minus 1 plus 20c2, 0.1 power 2, 0.9 power 20 minus 2 plus 20c3, 0.1 power 3, 0.9 power 20 minus 3. So if you are using the calculator, you will get the answer. So 0.1 means, already as I said to you, 1 by 10. 0.9 means 9 by 10. If you are using 9 power 17 divided by 10 power 20, 5199. Okay. So next, at least 2 defectives. At least 2 defective means at least 2 defectives. At least means probability of at least 2 defectives. That means probability of x greater than or equal to 2. This can be written 1 minus, that is the formula, x less than 2, which is equal to 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1. So that is in the previous division we are. So x equal to 0, 20c0, 1 by 10, 20c0, 1 by 10 power 0, 9 by 10, 20 minus 0 plus 20c1, 1 by 10 power 1, 9 by 10, 20 minus 1. So if you use the calculator, you will get 1 minus 29 into 9 power 19 divided by 10 power 20. So this is the answer. Third one. Fourth one is probability of 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3. Inclusive. So inclusive means 3 also you have to write. So p of x equal to 1 plus p of x equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3. So previous problem we have studied, x equal to 1 means 20c1, 1 by 10 power 1 into 9 by 10 power 20 minus 1. So using this 9 power 17 divided by 10 power 20 into, this is the answer.